Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall learn how to create zip files using Windows Explorer. So we are not going to use any special software or any extra software to create or extract zip files. And as you must be knowing, zipped files take up less storage space and can be transferred to other computers more quickly than uncompressed files. So in Windows, you work with zip files and folders in the same way that you work with uncompressed files and folder. So let's see how we can create a zip file. So let's say I will just open one folder and let's say this is the folder. So you can see I have a lot of files here in this folder. Now there are many ways to create the zip. Either I can select all the files from this folder and then right click and then click here which says compress to zip file, and by clicking on this all these files will be together in one zip file. So this is one way. Second way is to create a zip file only with the files that you select. So I can select some files individually and then right click and create a zip file for these uncompressed files that I have selected. So this is the second way. Third way is by choosing the entire folder. So you can see this is one folder. I can select this entire folder and then I can right click on that folder and then select compress to zip file. So this is also going to create the zip file, and this is the third way. So let's say I have selected some files and I want to create zip. So I'll just select the files, right click on them and then click here on compress to zip file. And the Windows is going to create the zip file in the same folder where you have the files. Then after that you can give a name to your zip. So I will just let this name be the same. I don't want to change it, but you can change the name of the zip file. And then very useful features that, let's say this is a zip and it contains these files. One is a HTML file, the rest are JPG or PNG files. So let's say I want to add some more files in this compressed file. So what I have to do is I just have to pick up a file like this, click and hold, and then just bring it over the zip file. And as you can see, it shows copy icon. So as soon as I release the mouse button, this file is going to be added to my existing zip file. And as you can see, that file has been added to the zip. The name of the file was Windows Desktop 4. So let's open the zip and check. So as you can see, it's here, Windows Desktop 4. And the same way you can add multiple files or folder into the zip. You just have to select the files and then click and hold and then just add to the file. And as you can see, we don't even have to use any special or extra software or any utility software. The Windows Explorer is powerful enough to handle your zip files. And let's talk about the unzipping part. So let's open the zip file. So now there are many ways to unzip it. Either you can open the zip file and then click here which says extract all, or the second way is if you want to extract only some selected files. So let's say I want to extract this file, that is Windows 11 features image. It is a HTML document. So I will just click and hold this file like this, and then I can just drag it to any other folder where I want it to be extracted. And I'll just release the button after I have selected or opened up the Explorer, and you can see it has been extracted to the location where I wanted it to be. In the same way, you can extract multiple files or folders from the compressed or the zipped file. So you will just have to select those files and then click and hold and then open the folder where you want those files to be extracted, and then just release the button and those files will be extracted to the desired location. So this is one way. Second way is by using this extract all button. You can just click here on extract all and all of the files which are inside the zipped files will be extracted together. Alright. Now let's see one example to understand how much space we can save using the compact zipped files or the compressed files. So as you can see, this is my folder and it occupies a size of 2.43 GB on my disk. So I'll just create one compress zip file for this folder. It might take some time because it's a big folder and it is having 2.43 GB. So I'll just give some time to my Windows Explorer. Now once the zip is created, you can either change the name for this zip, and then let's check the amount of space it is occupying. So you can see it is occupying 2.27 GB, and the original folder was of 2.43 GB. So it has saved around 150 MB, I guess. And it depends from files to files how much space we can save. For example, if we are compressing pictures like JPG image, then we will not be able to save much space because some types of files like JPG images, they are already highly compressed. So compressing them even further, it's not going to save any space, any significant space. So anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you were able to understand how to create compressed zip files using the Windows Explorer and how to extract it without using any other softwares. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for many more videos. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.